Welcome back to another video. We are in Baoding. Right next to the bell tower here we have the Ancient Lotus Pool. So basically this is the place. We have some designs here for the new year, the year of the horse. Some beautiful designs, and we're just gonna go inside and see what we have. So tickets for this place are only 30 RMB per person. I already paid with my friend. So all right, we already have some nice and beautiful designs here right up. So let's just take a walk. What do you think, this way or that way?
Both are okay.
All right, good. Let's go here.
You want to take a look at the map?
Okay, let's take a look at the map. This is basically the place. There's a very big pond, and that's where we're gonna go. Okay, let's go. This is also in the beautiful Baoding City in Hebei province. It's very near Beijing. It's not really that far. Maybe about like 40 minutes in the high-speed train and maybe an hour in the slower trains, or an hour and a half. Okay, this is pretty chill. Let's see the pond already.
Frozen already.
Yeah, it's frozen.
It's gonna look a lot better in the summer.
In the summer, right? That's when it looks way better. Definitely.
We're visiting now, so you can't see any lotus right now.
So we're at the Lotus Pond. It's quite frozen, and you're actually not allowed to go on this part. But during the summer, it looks really good. And you can buy some tea in that store. Many people, I think many people come here for like walks, right?
Yeah. Like a park.
It's more like a park, just to walk around. And what's the history of like this place? Or it's just like a normal park?
Well, this dates back as well. I think it's literally the same as the museum we went before.
The first one we went to, right?
Yeah. So the Empress, whenever she gets too tired from work, she might go for a walk around here, and
Is this a cave?
yeah, we can go inside.
Oh, this is a cave. What? Yo, this is crazy. What is this? There's a dark. Do you think we should go up here?
Yeah.
Oh God. Can't even see where I'm stepping. You just have to trust the process. Oh, it gets us right to the pond. Oh my God. Okay. We have a beautiful bridge there.
You can also climb the rocks.
Yeah, we can climb the rocks. You think we should go up there?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Oh my God. Guys, I'm telling you, there are so many nice things to do in Baoding. Whoa. Okay. Oh my God. I need to lose weight. Oh, okay.
You get a little nice rooftop here.
Yeah. This would be really nice, just to come with your friends, hang out, maybe play some cards,
Yeah.
you know. This is nice. You just see the whole view. Is this like the main spot?
I think this is a good spot for seeing things. Like I said, a vantage point.
Okay. Oh, this is also where the Empress used to come.
Yeah.
This is like part of like her place, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, that's cool. All right, let's go down and see some other places.
We can go down.
Let's go. Okay, let's use this place.
They should have some introduction here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. This is good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. I can already tell because the holidays are coming. They're gonna put like some stalls here for like selling stuff, right? Let's see this place here. This is a really beautiful park. It's really good. Do people skate here when it's like very, very cold? No?
No, I don't think so. We have some proper ice rinks, but not here. We have a
Oh, we also have a sign here like no skating.
yeah, no skating.
There's another park where like people skate, right?
Yeah, in the west.
So this is called the Ancient Lotus Pond. And it's only 30 RMB, basically $3 to come inside here.
This is quicker to finish than
Yeah.
the museum.
Oh, the museum was really big.
Yeah.
We might end up finding out this is also really big.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, this is so good. So this pond is very deep, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to be. Well, I never know. Never been down to the bottom.
You've never been to the bottom. Oh man, that's a good line. But do people swim? Maybe during the summer?
Not in here, I think. We have
Wow, that's really cool.
we have some gyms where we swim.
But like, at is it Liangmaqiao?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, in Beijing, like people swim in the river. I think it's a bit different swimming in like a pond and in a swimming pool. I mean, like swimming pools might be safer, but ponds are more exciting. The danger it comes with is more makes it really like exciting, right? Oh, I can imagine here in the summer. Might really look beautiful. Oh, we have the red fish. Whoa. Yeah, the goldfish. Let me zoom in. There are many caves in here.
These rocks are specially chosen. So literally, they used to pick out these rocks just to build these sceneries, to build caves.
Maybe it's easier. They kind of stick. It's easier to like put cement and make them stick. What do you think?
I think you don't have cement that far back. Cement is
Oh,
like,
so this was made like a really long time ago.
yeah.
Now, so this is not cement.
I don't
That's like putting the rocks together, right?
I think they somehow put the rocks together in other ways.
Where were they getting the rocks from though?
That I am not sure.
But it's also in Baoding.
Maybe some counties around.
Wow.
Some calligraphy.
Yeah. Oh,
Like
okay.
a big library. The naming this like a library, but it's actually
Yeah.
like a small
Follow. Let me write the word here. Follow and subscribe. Uh-oh. Oh my god.
You can press the button there to clear
Okay.
the upper
3, 2, Leo. Follow and subscribe. Damn, what is this? Okay.
just like a decoration.
Yeah, it's more like a decoration.
It's supposed to mean lotus. But it's never blue, It's always pink.
Oh, the lotus is always pink.
Yeah. Pink or white. It's never blue.
There's bamboo everywhere. I don't know if this is true, but I was watching this video and someone said like bamboo actually grows like in the ground for like 2 or 3 years. And then it sprouts very quickly, like in a couple of days or like weeks.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean that it's the fastest growing plant. It just takes time for it to,
Yeah.
I don't know, like get out of the ground or something. That's true?
That's true.
When top, top, da, 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 da. Okay. Oh, we even have dinosaurs here. Dinosaurs. This is basically the back part where the park ends. We have some cannons. What is inside the cannon? Okay. Whoa. Wow. These horses. This is a nice picture. We have some video picture taking place here. Cool. Wow, this is cool. This is really cool. Are these oil paintings? I think they are.
Yeah.
We also have like the artists' names here. Wow. Yo, I need to practice more. So, yeah, this is a nice gallery inside the same park. Wow. This is good.
Paper cuts.
Yeah, the paper cuts. Whoa, who did this? This is real art.
There's your full canvas.
That's like Fu.
Yeah. 马到成功，马到成功。
Madong Chenggong. Wait, Ma is horse. Madong.
到
Madao. Chenggong.
成功 means success.
Wow.
This was painted in Beijing.
This is cool.
Does it say 2021?
Yeah, 2021, I think.
But it's not the year, of course.
Yeah. This is so cool. Why are there so many horse paintings? Oh, because it's the year of the horse?
Yeah.
So next year, if there's another animal, the gallery will be changed, right?
Next
Though
year is
the-
going to be the year of the sheep.
So there'll be like sheep paintings in here.
I guess, yes.
Definitely. So we are done with our walk in the Lotus Park here in Baoding. I'm gonna put the location in the descriptions, and if you guys ever want to come here, you can always come. This is my friend because he's helping me like go around, and you know what I'm saying. Let me know about what you think about the place if you ever come here. You know, I mean, you've already seen the place, and